Printing and emailing. You can print or email save reports or lodge reports to your clients or whoever it is that you need to send to. From your dashboard, if it's printing or emailing the save or drafted reports that you have prepared, you click on the save reports. Select the report that you want to email or send to your clients. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to send an activities that has been validated. Like I said, if you click on print, from print it will print out the activity statements or installment activity statements that you have prepared earlier. You can click on print or download it as a PDF and send it to your clients, or whichever the options is suitable for you. So if you click print, to make sure you connect to a printer. If on the other hand you want to email it to your clients, you can do so, and that will send an email to your clients or whoever it is that you want to send it to. So you want to send it to your client, that will have your client's details on it. Or if you want to send to someone else, then you can put the details, the email on here. So assuming I'm going to send it to myself, you can customize, you can change the subject here. Note, if you have your email configuration set up, then it will be sent from your email. But if you don't have it, it will be sent from GovReports generally. So you can also change the contents here. Contents of the email, and if you have your email settings or configurations, then also it might also come with your email signature that you have copy and paste onto GovReports. So if that's okay, then you can just send. Voila, the email has been sent successfully. If it was sent from your email, like I said, if you got email configurations to your personal email, the sent email will be also listed on your sent mailbox or folders. You want to print without the identifier. If it is a tax return, then it would also have with identifier, which means that it's with tax file number, and without identifier it means without the tax file number. So there you go.